What up, YouTube? It's your boy Never Summer 417. Just gonna do a quick and easy, just a very simple Zippo trick here. Here we go. Okay, that's all it takes. And again, all this is in real time, so if I mess up, I mess up. I'm being honest. No one's perfect. Alright guys, here's how you do it. Flip open your lighter with your thumb, light it with your thumb, then you take your thumb and pointer finger, grab the cap, then you let go, okay? Ow. I'm gonna do it with no flame. You grab the cap, you let go with all your fingers, except for your thumb and your pointer finger. Then you flip it up, and it's still lit. You can light someone's cig or whatever, do whatever, and then drop it down. Okay? So that's all it is. You know, sometimes it won't close, whatever. Sometimes it doesn't flip up right. Sometimes it doesn't flip and won't stay lit. Like that. Just did it twice. But there. Alright. There it is, guys. This is